All right, folks, here we are at my son's shop in Mims, and we got the parts needed to get this thing running today, so let's get started. It's just because of,
It's super easy to keep focused as well.
just because I was going up.
Did I have this thing hooked up backwards?
I don't think so.
Because you have black on the damn positive.
Yeah, you gotta look at the,
Yeah.
you probably did.
No, it has reverse polarity protection, so it doesn't hurt. Just like the charging.
Okay, this is gonna be much better.
Alright, I'm taking a shit. I'll be back. That's a lot. Where did you hook? What did you do here? You got this going the wrong way, Dad.
What?
You're gonna have to bust that loose. There's a T there.
It goes right there,
Oh, okay.
like that.
How the fuck am I? This goes over the rail then?
This goes over the rail, yes, it does. Which is mine.
Some weird ass plumbing going on. It was off already.
Yeah, I know. I just routed it through this.
I was clamping down on it.
Okay, now leave that alone right there. It's got to go there.
Why didn't you ever get your? Oh, that's right. The plug won't fit. Used to not fit there. Now it does.
What's that?
The plug doesn't fit for the alternator. This bullshit.
It goes right here.
Yeah, I know. Why don't we have a plug on it?
Just
Haven't done that yet.
cut it off or something. I don't remember.
Well, it didn't fit with the other
Maybe
intake.
it didn't
Now it
fit or
does.
something. I can't remember.
What is holding? Oh. I don't know. Maybe I should put some more in there.
Because they will. I had it happen. Okay.
I definitely tell a wire guy I can wear this thing.
Oh, it's a hell of a lot better than the first time I built it. Time I tried to take my time.
Why is that like funny? This injector is broke.
It's in broke. It's broke. Oh, these little collars slide.
Oh, so you want them down?
I don't know.
You want them down.
Yeah, I moved. I don't know for what reason, but I do move.
This is mine. This is fucking weird. See, they're like dust covers.
Okay, so what do
See,
you
they're nice and.
Okay, I'm gonna fix the seatbelt. Realize I
Where's
had
the hardware? Is this it?
Yep, those are all the hard. Those little screws right there for the
Pull downs?
hold down. Here's your little wrench right here.
Boeing's been on strike in St. Louis for a while. Did you see they got out of their criminal charges? Boeing?
No, I didn't know there was.
Yeah, where all these doors falling off.
Oh yeah.
Got out of them. I guess that's good for the company, but.
You saw the UPS plane crash, didn't you?
Yeah, I do remember it. trying to blame that. They made sure that the media knew that McDonnell Douglas is owned by Boeing. Of course, even though it's a fucking 40 or 30-year-old plane.
Engine fell off. Tell me how that can happen.
Bad maintenance.
It's gotta be broken mounts or somebody just didn't tighten it up or something.
Yeah, there's only a couple bolts that hold those engines on. It hurt a lot of people.
Yeah, they haven't even found that.
Oh, fuck. Well, they're not gonna find a crew.
No. They're roasted.
Done. Alright, which one's which?
It'll say on this is the front one, that's the second one. It'll say on the wire. Number 1, 2, whatever. Also have to buy some sort of air filter assembly. It's not gonna work.
I put a pod on it and then block these up so the radiator gets more flow. Unless it's just a scoop. Put a pod right here.
Pod is one of those cone looking things.
It'll be sucking
They
up
do have
heat.
an elbow.
Yeah, you
Come
can
right
put it-
here.
You can put it over there. I was gonna say, you'll be sucking up heat right there from the radiator. I don't know how I'm gonna get my fingers in here.
I came out from the side.
How do you do that?
Like this.
Oh wait, oh there we go, touch it. Think I fell. No, I didn't hear it. On the side.
Yeah. So I'm left-handed, so I was able to get it.
Oh, this is the side. When somebody cut these screws right, it wouldn't be so difficult.
I cut them right. Used a drill and a grinder.
Yeah, but it has to be the first threads of every fastener are bevel. See, look. You see how it's beveled down?
Yeah.
This one's straight, so you have. Oh, yeah.
Just getting half fingers and how to screw, buddy. Okay, what the lights on?
No, I'm just not used to
See, 100% better.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna hang up lights here, Dad,
Yeah.
that we can angle down.
Good.
I think it would work. If I got a strong enough light for underneath the shelf there. Damn it. But yeah, I was thinking like this, Dad. One over there, one over there.
Scares me every time.
The fucking on longer lugs. You need longer lugs. They're too short. They're I'm trying to justify your way out of it. Longer lugs. You got no threading gauge.
This is the stop one. These are for racing. They're on there deep enough.
Let's see if I can find. I see you. How do I get you out?
I'm gonna go up higher.
Yeah, go ahead. Of course, it fell right in the Go ahead. Now the battery plugged in. That's good, Dan.
There you go.
I just did a no-no though. Not supposed to be walking under this thing while it's moving.
No, I thought of that. It needs to be done.
Not really. Just wanted to be done. What is that? Disconnect?
Bunch of, yeah, I found it at a state sale. I'm gonna rig it up and I can,
Well, it doesn't make sense to do that. If you're gonna go NHRA or whatever, it's gotta be in the back. The battery's gotta be in the back.
save it for another day.
Alright, we got oil. Oh, I gotta put the coils back on over here.
I've got powertrain fluid in there, I've got oil, I've got coolant, I've got transmission fluid, I've got 4 quarts of transmission fluid in there.
Where's your T handle? You can put a lock washer on it. Wow.
Don't
Oh,
over tighten it.
that is stripped.
Was it
Already.
stripped?
That barely did anything. That's stripped. Why don't you take that off and put it up on
longer screw.
Don't mess with it. You're gonna.
No, I don't think you have it. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. It is stripped?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, I mean, at least worst case scenario, you just won't have throttle. It's not like you can stick open or
I can get a longer screw and fix that.
And then, you know, if you have to get home, you can tie a string to it. Pull it through the window.
Yeah. All right.
So this is all the way open. I almost want to push it back so we can.
Yeah. Thought we would.
Okay. So we can
Got room to work.
open the doors and stuff. Oh, it's a park. Yes, it is. We've got to move the.
Landings first.
What?
What do you call them, landings?
Well, I gotta push it forward. Is it in gear or is it just flat spot?
It's just hard to push. Brakes are all rusty.
Okay.
Okay.
It should be good for the front ones. Whew, finger cruncher. Help me out. What was that?
I don't know. Probably just pop the tire.
I think it was a good tire.
I think this tire's got a leak for sure.
Yeah, well, might have to remount them or something. Alright, that's good enough. You want to check your pressures?
Yeah.
We're not driving anytime soon, so give it a second.
Just knocking things out. I thought I might have a problem with this belt. I moved this pulley.
Battery's dead.
No. Really?
Yeah. It's sitting at 12 and a half. I got a charger on it.
Okay, try now. turn it off by itself? All right, folks, so we got the car running, as you can hear, see, but we have a manifold that doesn't fit correctly on the heads, and it is leaking. So we got to fix that, and then she's good to go.